Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am doing great. Why, you ask? I have a Stitch Fix and I have my Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club. These are my September Earring of the Month Club and I have not opened them. My address is on this side, but yeah, it's still sealed. I wanted to share it with you and I actually forgot about it, so there's no time like the present. It's still September. I'm going to open these and share them with you, and I also have another Stitch Fix to unbox. So if you want to see what my stylist sent in this box and in this bag, a stylist didn't send this. My best friend actually gifts me with this Earring of the Month Club subscription. It is so much fun. I will leave all of the details in the description box below. If you are looking for a fun and affordable surprise for yourself, or maybe even a gift for someone else, please check out Fair Trade Friday Ministries. They have an Earring of the Month Club, a Bracelet of the Month Club. It's a really great organization and I am so happy with my earrings. You can see I didn't wear any today because let's just hope that these earrings match the outfit that I'm wearing today, or maybe something inside my box. Hold on, let me get everything open. All right, here is the inside of my Stitch Fix box. Have you noticed the packaging has changed a little bit? They used to have branded boxes with the Stitch Fix logo on the inside and also instructions on how to return anything that didn't work. All of that was printed on the box. That's no longer the case. Okay, I think Stitch Fix is cutting corners. Hopefully they're cutting their prices as well to reflect those changes. Let's see, because you guys know my past Stitch Fixes have been expensive, but you know what? The last couple boxes have been pretty good. Fingers crossed this one is just as good. With any Stitch Fix, I always get a return mailer so I can return anything that does not work for me. But I can also use this bag to exchange anything if I need to change sizes. There is also an envelope full of information. There's a note from my stylist, and my stylists have been changing, so let's see who styled me today. But also, I do receive some style cards with suggestions from my stylist on how I might want to pair the pieces that she sent. And an invoice. I forgot to mention that. I have to pay for anything that I keep, but I also do have some credit. Thank you to all of my viewers that use my referral link. You guys make this clothing so very affordable for me, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you do try Stitch Fix for yourself, you will get your own referral link that you can share with your family and friends. So you just get to keep on giving and getting when you become a Stitch Fix subscriber. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for, and guys, I didn't notice this. Another pair of shoes. Okay, I think this is fabulous because I love shoes. I think my stylist should send me a pair of shoes every single time, but this is what the bundle looks like. Okay, it looks a little fall, some fall colors in there, so that is promising. And next up is the shoes. Let's see, what are the shoes? The shoes are Sperry. I like Sperry's. These are the Crest Vibe Wash Twill Barrel Lace Sneaker in light blue. Okay, I don't know if I need light blue sneakers. Oh, these are pretty. These are cute. These look like a very preppy. They do have the leather laces, and I always like when they do that, when they roll them on the end. But yeah, these are nice. These look like a spring or summer color to me, so I don't know that this is necessarily what I would be in the market for right now, but I'll try them on. I know they're going to be comfortable because I own Sperry's and I love Sperry's. I just don't know if I want to spend my money on a spring and summer shoe. Okay, bundle time. I like this. Look at this off the bat. I can't tell if this is navy blue or black. Either way, I like it. It does have the gold metallic flex on it. This is a mixed material, which I enjoy wearing mixed material where it's cool. This is more of a cotton fabric and it's stretchy in the back, and yet it's the polyester print in the front. This is a cap sleeve and a split neck. I like this one off the bat. Oh, who was this? I didn't even tell you. This is Paper Moon. Okay. The next one is Magnolia Grace. Okay. I tried this brand in a Stitch Fix recently. This is a stretchy polyester. This is probably poly spandex tunic, printed, split neck. Does that lace? No, just a split neck top. I don't know about that one. Pants. Oh, Liverpool. I love Liverpool. That's actually what it says there. Love Liverpool. These are the K Skinny colored jean in olive. And they are a light green color, super stretchy. If you haven't tried Liverpool, I highly recommend them. They're skinny. It's not my favorite right now, but because I have so many skinnies, I'm really kind of enjoying straight legs and funky hems. I still like my funky hems. Next up, oh my gosh, this one feels so nice. Pink clover, incredibly soft. So this is what it looks like. So it is a super soft brush knit color block top. This one is pink clover, Amaya brush knit top in burnt orange. I like this one. Does it have a band? It does have a banded bottom. I wish it didn't, but I like this one. Now, okay, I'm going to try this on, but out of the box, does this look like an Amazon piece? It does. It really does to me, but it feels amazing. So let's check the price on that. Guys, that's 5 pieces. The shoes and 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll try everything on. Oh, let me show you the earrings. All right, here are my earrings for this month. I don't know if you can see. They are stamped with a Fair Trade Friday. This is like a canvas tote, and they're also in a box this time. They're always packaged differently depending on where they come from. These are Sojourn, and this is what they look like. So I will try those on. I'll try everything on. Stick around so you can check it out, and we'll talk about it at the end. This fix is good. Not only is it good, it's affordable. So I have my invoice here, and the entire fix, all 5 pieces, is $278. Now, that sounds expensive for 5 pieces, but the buy all discount is $69.50, which brings the total to $208.50, which I don't think is outrageous for a pair of shoes, a pair of denim, and 3 tops. All of the tops are very nice. So I just can't wait to hear what you think about these pieces. There are a few pieces I really, really like that need to stay with me, and a couple pieces I think I will send back. First thing I want to talk about is the earrings. These are the earrings. Aren't they pretty? And they always seem to match what I'm wearing. These are just a really neutral ceramic earring, and they are gold dipped. I don't know if that's true gold dipped, but they are called the ceramic drop earring, and the value is $35. Now, this subscription only costs like $12.99 a month, and you always get a handcrafted earring. So it's really a great deal, guys. Check it out. Again, the link is in the description box below. I love my earrings, and yeah, I'll give you a close-up so you can check them out closer, but I'll be wearing these all day. I like them. Okay, let's talk about the Stitch Fix clothing, and I'll give you the prices on each piece. I'll start with the pieces that really didn't wow me, and the shoes. The shoes are one. I like the shoes just fine. These are the Sperry Crust Vibe light blue. Had they been a darker color, I think I might have liked them more. These are $60. They're super comfortable. They're very preppy, which is a look I sometimes like to sport, but because we are headed into fall, I will honestly be shopping for boots and booties. I prefer to wear boots in the fall. In fact, I seldom wear tennis shoes in the fall. These are great, but I am not going to spend my money on light blue tennis shoes at this time of year. All right, the next top that, well, you know, I wasn't crazy about it. I don't know how I feel about it. This is the Fanta top. It's a tunic top by Magnolia Grace. The price is $54. My stylist sent it, and she did actually note in her note that she sent it because it was a longer length. I complained a little bit about receiving so many shorter length tops from Stitch Fix. They aren't flattering on my figure, and so she did deliver by sending me a tunic top. This is a polyester spandex tunic top, and it does have that banding down on the hemline and down the front. It's a split neck. I don't know. What did you think about this one? It didn't really wow me. It's $54. I thought it paired very nicely with the green denim, but I don't know if this is really something that I would reach for. I'm going to have to look at my video and decide if I like this piece on me. Okay, now we're getting into the good stuff, the stuff that I do like. This is the Paper Moon foil dot top. What is it? The official name is the Reese Mixed Material Foil Print Top, and it is in navy. It's so hard to tell because it is a very dark navy with the cap sleeves. This one is very comfortable. This is a Kelly top, right? Does this look like I put it on? I felt like myself. I like the little sparkle detail. This will be fun to wear. It's also lightweight with the cotton on the back, so that'll make it really nice to wear under cardigans or with a blazer. And I mean, imagine, you can't see the cotton. You wear this with a blazer, and this will really, it'll look very, very nice, especially into the holidays. This one is only $38. I really can't believe that price. I'm happy with that price. I think I will be keeping this. What do you think about it? Oh, no, it doesn't. I thought it maybe had a cuffed sleeve there, but it doesn't. I like this one. And this one I love. Gosh, the soft fabric gets me every single time. And the color block. I am a big fan of color block, and these colors are perfect for fall. I like the fit on this. It was not too tight, felt very, very casual. This one is so lightweight that I could actually wear a cardigan underneath this one, and I think it would feel fabulous. You know, sometimes when you wear a winter long sleeve top, it's just too big to wear a cardigan, and this is actually the perfect weight. This one is called the Pink Clover Amaya Brush Knit Top. It's in burnt orange, and it's $38. This one needs to stay with me. Do you agree? I think it's perfect for fall. I'm excited to wear this one. It's warm. It's a little bit too warm for me right now, but hopefully, yeah, I'm wearing this one to the pumpkin patch. You guys already know, if you follow me, I'm making plans to get my pumpkins at the pumpkin patch. And the last piece, I didn't think I was going to like these. These are the Liverpool jeans. Now, I know I love Liverpool jeans, and these are a lighter olive color, and normally I steer away from colored denim, but again, I felt like these would be a nice addition for my fall wardrobe. Where's the Stitch Fix tag so I can read what these are called? These are the K Skinny Colored Jean by Liverpool. They're very stretchy. They are high-waisted, which I am so happy about. Yes, I think I'm going to be keeping these. Now, before I decide, I will wait to hear your comments on these denim because I have not seen myself. I don't look in a mirror when I do this try on, so when I edit this video, I will get a better idea of if I like the fit of these. And yeah, I can see my backside in these. I wish these were a straight leg because I'm kind of done with the skinny, but I think this is a nice staple. I think this could be worn probably all 4 seasons, if not 3 seasons. Would you wear this color in the winter time? I think I would. I think this is kind of a versatile color that can be worn year round. So I am thinking about keeping the denim, definitely keeping, is this one the Pink Clover and the Paper Moon, keeping 3 pieces out of this fix, and it's getting better. Every fix is getting better and better. I am so happy about that. Guys, looks like I will be getting a 5 out of 5 very soon if we just keep trending in this direction. Please, in the comments, let me know what you think about the items that I received today. If you enjoy Stitch Fix videos, guys, I want to introduce you to a friend of mine that just started receiving Stitch Fix, and she is documenting her unboxings on her YouTube channel. Her name is Quenby, and her channel is The Grateful Queen, and I will link her channel in the description box below. If you love Stitch Fix videos, you're gonna love watching my friend. Please visit her channel and let her know that Kelly sent you. That would be awesome. Guys, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next video. Blessings to all of you. Happy fall!